video is dedicated to all my viewers across the world that are suffering from alopecia. Be encouraged. We can overcome this. In today's video, I'll be giving you an update on my alopecia, and I'm so excited. My ears actually growing back, so stick around. Here's your inspiration for today. And he said unto me, Son of man, can these dry bones live? And I answered, O Lord God, thou knowest. Again he said unto me, Prophesy upon these bones, and say unto them, O ye dry bones, hear the voice of the Lord. Hi, welcome back to my channel, New Growth Naturals. If we're meeting for the first time, my name is Samantha. I'm a natural hair specialist. I specialize in natural hair care and natural hairstyles and so much more. And also recently I completed my studies to be a hair loss practitioner, and guess what? I passed my exam, so very soon I'll be getting my license and my certificate to be officially a hair loss practitioner. I'm so excited. I've always wanted to do this, guys, because being a natural hair specialist, I normally treat different sorts of alopecia successfully, but there were some that I was unable to treat just because we know that there are different sorts of alopecia and not all of those can be dealt with topically. So I'm happy now that I completed my studies, so now I can attack the situation from inside out and do so much things that otherwise I wasn't licensed to do. Girls, I'm so excited, and I'll be sharing an alopecia series with you soon. Anyway, that's not what you came here for. I'll be giving you my updates on my alopecia in this video because if you have been watching my channel, you know that recently I went through a series of depression and all stuff was happening because I had to 2 jobs and studying and blah blah blah. But anyway, it took a toll on my hair and I started getting bald patches, and I felt so bad because here I am as a natural hair specialist telling people how to take care of their hair to grow it long, how to get it to waistline, how to grow thicker, longer hair, and then I am now being a victim of the same thing that I'm actually helping others through. It was so depressing, it was so overwhelming, but hey, God has been faithful to me. Thanks for all your prayers, those that were praying and encouraging me, and those that took time out to PayPal me to assist me with my studies. That was so very much appreciated. I still have a balance there, but not to worry, God will take care of that. Hey, and just in case you want to support me, you want to support this ministry that I'm doing, if you want to support my studies and all the equipment and stuff that I need to practice, you can PayPal me. A link to my PayPal in the description and also down the comment section, so you can actually contribute to that. Guess what? $1 can make a difference. Anyway, let's go into what this video is all about. An update. Before we do the update, let's look at what my hair was at the last time that I did a video on my alopecia, if that made any sense. Yeah, let's look at that. And then I'm going to show you different angles on what my scalp is. It has been a month now since I've been doing treatment, and I've been using ginger, I've been using onions, I'll be using Black Jamaican castor oil. I've done a recipe for that the last time and showed you how I made it, how I applied it, and 2 different methods on how I use it. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it to the end of this one, and also I'll put it in the description for you to refer to, if just in case you have not seen that video. But I've been doing a lot of stuff to my hair that has made a difference, and I've seen a significant difference in 1 month. It's not much, but I can see, and I'm going to show you right about now. So I have my hair up in one, guys, and I don't care to lay edges. Yeah, my first hair just gonna stay that way. My hair is shrunken, it's somewhat matted, just the same, because I just didn't have any time to detangle it, and once I don't have time, I don't fool around my hair, because 4C hair, as you guys should know, is very fragile. It breaks easily, so once I'm frustrated, I will leave this hair alone. Just removing some hairpins, because I had actually tucked my ends under. And yeah, don't come at me that my hair needs trimming. Y'all know the story. My hair is shedding like crazy, hence why my ends like this. And I trim a lot actually, so I think that's all the pins. So this is what my hair looking like. Right, so let's look at my part in 2. This is what my scalp looks like. Got this section right here. This section right here. Why my hair is pre-sectioned, even though I had it up in one, was because I sort of did add some bantu knots in before to try stretch my hair. That was a long time ago, surprisingly. My hair is still in sections. So just look at the parts. So approximately right here is where I experienced the balding at first. And up in the top of my scalp, let me come closer. I'm figuring that if I put my hair in twists, maybe y'all will get a better view as to what it is right now. So I'm just gonna do that off camera for you, cause yeah. And then I'm gonna show you what my parts are looking like and all that. I'm so excited. I'm excited not just because the treatment is working, but I'm excited to know that, hey, I'm done studying, so I have less stress on me and I have more time on my hand to actually take care of myself. Some persons have been concerned and they have been asking me in the comment section on the last video that I posted what caused my alopecia, and I just wanted to know that I have alopecia areata. Basically what happened is that my immune system is attacking the healthy hair that I have growing out on my scalp, and it is something that I have to deal with internally. It can be alleviated somewhat medically just by preventing excess inflammation on my scalp, and I've been using the ginger, which is excellent for that, and also onion juice, Black Jamaican castor oil, just to strengthen the follicles that I have there and help to stimulate the growth. While I've been eating organically, I've been taking supplements that will help to fight this immune system deficiency that I'm experiencing. And guys, my hair, I'm so happy, I'm so grateful. My hair started to react. The first time I actually experienced alopecia was after I gave birth, but that was because of postpartum shedding. But my hair did grow back. It did grow back, but recently, like this year, the earlier part of this year, which is 2020 by the way, I have started experiencing thinning once more. My hair started shedding in clumps. I started having stringy ends once more. I kept cutting my hair thinking that, oh, I just need a trim, or just because of stress my hair was shedding. But then I started seeing this bald patch, and that was cause for concern, and it just gradually went out of hand until I had this big patch in my hair on this side, on that side, in the middle, towards the back. And girl, it was devastating because I've always been helping person to regrow their hair. My clients, when they come to me, whatever hair health issue that they have, I'm always working hard to resolve it. And usually their issues are resolved. And now to think that I am the person that know how to do this thing, that I'm the person helping so many persons, and I was facing it myself, that was really depressing. So I did pray about it. I went and seriously talked to God about it. My friends were praying for me. Some of you guys are praying for me. And you know, faith without work is dead. So I started researching and I started applying stuff to my scalp and taking stuff internally. I saw my doctor. She did some checks on me. I did a lot of stuff. And I'm feeling much better. I have a lot of more time on my hand, like I said before, so I can attack this. And I will be keeping you updated as to how I'm progressing with my alopecia hair regrowth. And let me know in the comment section if you have had alopecia before, or if you're experiencing hair loss of any sort, what you have been doing, what you have used, if you have identified the type of alopecia that you have been experiencing. And also let me know if you want me to do a series on alopecia. That's it, guys. Like you can see, my hair is filling in really well, and 1 month's progress is looking awesome so far. I can't wait for my hair to grow back to the full thickness, the body, and the length that it is. Well, actually, it has a good amount of length. Shrinkage is real. Don't judge this. Until next time, remember, Jesus love you. Be good.